under contract? Did you?
Yeah. So what happened was, a person that I met, I invited her to Renatus, and unfortunately, she decided not to join us. But she's been trying to work hard as a wholesaler. So I've kept contact with her, and she sent me many listings, many properties, all crap. This one, it seemed good. So I did get it from a wholesaler. I was the first one that called her. I was the first one that made an offer on this property. I did not see the property. I Googled it. I saw the location, and I made an offer. I made an offer a little bit less than what they were asking, but it turned out I had to make a full asking price offer because she got full asking price offers. I do have a relation with that person, so it's very crucial for you to make a relationship with wholesalers, contractors, realtors, whoever it is, because they'll try to push it for you, a little bit more. She's not the actual wholesaler. She teamed up with another company that allows her to advertise their properties.